2006. Oh, Dodge Caliber. Hey, this is Tim. 2006 Dodge Caliber 2.0. We got the red lightning bolt going into limp mode. So we're going to clean the throttle body. We're going to clean the throttle body and reset it. And it's also got a PO 2017, which is active. The other ones are stored. They're probably old. But we have a active 2017. That's going to be your intake runner, position sensor, which I've changed a million of these. Let's see. It should be right here on the right side. We'll have to let's see here. Put the engine in that one. We're going to go right down here. Alright, we're going to take the battery off, of course. Two 10mm. We'll pour this battery out. Clean it up some too. Looks like it needs to be cleaned up. I'll set you up somewhere here in just a minute. Battery terminals, I clean them all off here in a minute when I get it off. Just turn them off here. There we go. Got a little bit of corrosion on it. Slip this out here. Alright, right here, and then you're going to take your air tip sensor off. Just push it in here like this. Get you an 8mm, take this clamp off right here. You're going to take your breather, whole breather off. Take the side of the hose off there like that. This thing should come off. Pull that off. Check your air filter while you're here. Pull it over here, like that. And we're going to move this back. And this is right here. Is your sensor here. This is what I'm gonna pull this back with a bungee or something. Well, maybe not. And you're gonna unplug it there, and then we're gonna have two 10mm on the side here. And we're putting a new one on here in 1 second. All right, you're gonna have a 10mm at the top here, and you'll have an 8mm on the other one. Kind of move your radiator hose a little bit up, a little bit down, every which way you can do it. I think I'm going to push mine down. Okay. Then you're going to unplug it right there on the bottom. And then you're gonna have one more 10 on the bottom. Let's see if we can get that. Might end up, hold on just a second. All right, the bottom one's gonna be a 10. Let's get you a little extension like this. And drop it down there, but that's all right. I'll get a magnet here in just a second. And that should just pull on out. There we go. And there she is. She's stuck wide open. So when that runner is stuck wide open like that, it'll idle weird, and it'll also cause that check engine light and this thing go into limp mode and everything else. So I'm gonna clean this throttle body down there. I can see that it's got some buildup on it, so I'm gonna be cleaning it and then wait on them to bring this new part, and then we'll install that. All right, we got the parts, and now we're gonna put it in. Of course, like I said, 3 bolts, two 10mm and 1 8. It's a Dorman part number, which got to be 911902. All right, let's put the new one in. Alright, once you get it in, plug it up, of course. I'm going to hook the battery back up. We're going to reset this throttle. I cleaned it out. Okay, I had to relearn the accelerator. If you don't have a scan tool to relearn it, just turn your switch on. Press your gas down for about 30 seconds. Then let off. Take your switch out, then start it. That should reset it also, but I got a thing on mine to relearn it. So no more lightning bolt. So now it should all, you'll know when you got it relearned, when you can hit the, and just let, you're gonna have to do a couple of drive cycles, but you'll know you'll have it relearned whenever the idle's up like this, because now it's working. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.